Team, this is Brian 890. I'm here with James and Steven's existing system. I'll be replacing the furnace and the AC. The indoor air quality unit will be just 20 by 25 by 4 rack, but we are replacing the humidifier. We're going to be putting it in a bottom box. The access is just the utility room here on the second floor of the home. They have 4 systems in the home. We'll only be replacing this one currently. Just one flight of stairs to get up here. Very nice, folks. I'll put in the order for all the parts. $890 out.